what I believe is the golden rule of credit. Treat your creditors as you'd have your debtors treat you. Treat your creditors as you'd have your debtors treat you. Does anybody owe you money? Remember the last time one of your cousins or relatives or siblings or friends borrowed money from you and promised to pay you back on Friday? That's happened to everybody. They promised to pay you back on Friday. You probably loaned them money that you really didn't have, but you heard the sob story and you felt sorry and you gave them the money. And then Friday comes around and not only did you not hear from them, but they won't even pick up the cell phone that your $50 helped keep on. Okay? And you know other people who know this person and other people that you know have talked to this person, but they won't talk to you. Now, you don't just want your money back. You want blood. You want to kill them, right? And what do you say to everybody who'll listen? It's not the money. It's the what? Principle. It's the principle of the thing. Had the person called you and said, listen, I'm living from check to Monday. I overestimated my ability to pay you back. There's a garnishment coming out of my check. I owe child support or whatever. You'd probably say, you know what? I understand. Pay me what you can or pay me when you can. You may even decide to waive the debt